What's up, everybody? Welcome back to English Without Limit, the place where we destroy fear, build confidence, and take your English to the next level. If you're ready to grow, say it with me. No more excuses. Let's go. How long have you been saying, I will improve my English next month. I will start practicing soon. I am not ready yet. Stop. There is no perfect time. There is no perfect moment. There is only now. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a perfect accent. You don't need expensive courses. You need decision. The moment you decide, your growth begins. Part 2. Speak even if you're afraid. Listen carefully. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes after speaking. Let me say that again. Confidence does not come before action. Confidence comes from action. If you wait to feel confident, you will wait forever. Speak when your voice shakes. Speak when you feel nervous. Speak when you feel unsure. Because every time you speak, you are training your brain, and your brain learns fast. You say you are busy? Fine. Give me 20 minutes. That's it. 20 minutes of listening, 20 minutes of speaking practice, 20 minutes of reading out loud. If you do that every single day for 6 months, you will shock yourself. The problem is not time. The problem is discipline. You scroll on your phone for 1 hour, you watch random videos for 2 hours, but you say you don't have 20 minutes? Be honest with yourself. Your future depends on your daily habits. Let's talk about mistakes. Some of you are silent. You understand English, but you don't speak. Why? Because you are afraid to make mistakes. Listen. Nobody laughs at someone who is improving. People respect effort. And even if someone laughs, so what? Your dream is bigger than their opinion. Say this with me. Mistakes are my teachers. Again, mistakes are my teachers. If you are making mistakes, you are moving forward. If you are silent, you are staying the same. Imagine yourself 1 year from today. 2 versions of you. Version 1, you did nothing. You waited, you delayed. Your English is the same. Version 2, you practiced daily. You listened daily. You spoke daily. Your English is powerful. Which version do you want? The difference is not talent. The difference is daily action. Right now, we practice. Repeat after me loudly. I am improving every day. I am not afraid to speak. My English is getting stronger. I will not quit. Good. Say it like you mean it. Energy creates belief. Belief creates results. English Without Limit means something powerful. No limit on your growth, no limit on your background, no limit on your future. You are not too late. You are not too slow. You are not behind. You are starting. And starting is powerful. 1 small step today is better than 0 steps tomorrow. From today, speak 5 sentences every day. Learn 5 new words every day. Listen 20 minutes every day. Do this for 90 days, and your life will change. Not maybe, not possibly, it will change. This is English Without Limit, where fear ends and growth begins. If you are serious about improving your English, comment below. I will not quit. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and I will see you in the next episode. Until then, keep speaking, keep practicing, keep believing, because your English has no limit.